Depression is a common condition that affects millions of people around the world yearly. It is a common mental health condition that causes a persistent feeling of sadness and changes in how you think, sleep, eat, and act. Anyone can experience depression. The good news is that depression is treatable. Welcome to Healthiverse. To begin with, what is depression? Depression is a mood disorder that produces a prolonged feeling of sadness and loss of interest in things and activities you once enjoyed. It also causes difficulty with thinking, memory, eating, and sleeping. While it's normal to feel sad or grieve over difficult life situations, such as losing your job or a divorce, depression is different in that it persists practically every day for at least 2 weeks, involving other symptoms than sadness alone. If left untreated, depression can get worse and last longer. In severe cases, it can lead to self-harm or death by suicide. Types of depression. Number 1. Clinical depression, also known as major depressive disorder. This involves feeling sad, low, or worthless for at least 2 weeks, while also having other symptoms such as sleep problems, loss of interest in activities, or change in appetite. It is the most severe form of depression and one of the most common forms. Number 2. Persistent depressive disorder. This is a mild or moderate depression that lasts for at least 2 years. Symptoms are less severe than major depressive disorder. Number 3. Disruptive mood dysregulation disorder. This causes chronic, intense irritability and frequent anger outbursts in children. Symptoms usually begin by the age of 10. Number 4. Premenstrual dysphoric disorder. This causes premenstrual syndrome symptoms along with mood symptoms such as extreme irritability, anxiety, or depression. These symptoms improve within a few days after your period starts, but they can be severe enough to interfere with your life. Number 5. Depressive disorder due to another medical condition. Many medical conditions can create changes in your body that cause depression. Examples include hypothyroidism, heart disease, Parkinson's disease, and cancer. If you're able to treat the underlying condition, the depression usually improves as well. There are also specific forms of major depressive disorder, including 1. Seasonal affective disorder, also known as seasonal depression. This is a form of major depressive disorder that typically arises during the fall and winter and goes away during the spring and summer. 2. Prenatal depression and postpartum depression. Prenatal depression is depression that happens during pregnancy. Postpartum depression is depression that develops within 4 weeks of delivering a baby. 3. Atypical depression. Symptoms of this condition, also known as major depressive disorder with atypical features, vary slightly from typical depression. The main difference is a temporary mood improvement in response to positive events. Other key symptoms include increased appetite and rejection sensitivity. People with bipolar disorder also experience episodes of depression in addition to manic or hypomanic episodes. Who does depression affect? Depression can affect anyone, including children and adults. Women and people assigned female at birth are more likely to have depression than men and people assigned male at birth. Having certain risk factors makes it more likely that you may develop depression. For example, the following conditions are associated with higher rates of depression. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Stroke. Multiple sclerosis. Seizure disorders. Cancer. Macular degeneration. And chronic pain. Symptoms of depression. In general, symptoms include 1. Feeling very sad, hopeless, or worried. Children and adolescents with depression may be irritable rather than sad. 2. Not enjoying things that used to bring joy. 3. Being easily irritated or frustrated. 4. Eating too much or too little, which may result in weight gain or weight loss. 5. Trouble sleeping, also known as insomnia, or sleeping too much, also known as hypersomnia. 6. Having low energy or fatigue. 7. Having a difficult time concentrating, making decisions, or remembering things. 8. Experiencing physical issues like headache, stomachache, or sexual dysfunction. 9. Having thoughts of self-harm or suicide. Management and treatment of depression. Depression is one of the most treatable mental health conditions. Approximately 80% to 90% of people with depression who seek treatment eventually respond well to treatment. Treatment options include 1. Psychotherapy. This is talk therapy. It involves talking with a mental health professional. Your therapist helps you identify and change unhealthy emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. Sometimes, brief therapy is all you need. 2. Medication. Prescription medicine called antidepressants can help change the brain chemistry that causes depression. 3. Complementary medicine. This involves treatments you may receive along with traditional Western medicine. People with mild depression or ongoing symptoms can improve their well-being with therapies such as acupuncture, massage, hypnosis, and biofeedback. 4. Brain stimulation therapy can help people who have severe depression or depression with psychosis. There are also things you can do at home to help improve depression symptoms, including getting regular exercise, getting quality sleep, not too little or too much, eating a healthy diet, avoiding alcohol, which is a depressant, and spending time with people you care about. Preventive measures. While you can't always prevent depression, you can help reduce your risk by 1. Maintaining a healthy sleep routine. 2. Managing stress with healthy coping mechanisms. 3. Practicing regular self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, and yoga. If you've had depression before, you may be more likely to experience it again. If you have depression symptoms, get help as soon as possible. The end. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can watch more videos like this. Also leave a comment as it helps the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.